This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nicole Blanchard. Great find in Gold Coast Estates. This floor plan was well before it and #X 2019's time. High vaulted ceilings, eat-in kitchen with granite countertops, formal dining area, great room with a wall of sliding glass doors. This entire area has tile flooring. The large master suite boasts a slider to the lanai and large walk-in closet. The master bath has a separate tub and shower with dual sinks and the oversized vanity. Split bedroom floor plan. All bedrooms have wood-like laminate flooring and 4 and #X201D baseboard. New washer and dryer. Plumbing in place for a set tub. And #XD and #SAW. The lanai is the entire width of the home. Lots of room for entertaining. The backyard is a private oasis with the 6 and #X 2019 vinyl fence and mature landscaping. Plenty of room for a pool. Attached side load 2-car garage with a work area and storage, new impact door. Very close to Horton Park and all of the amenities it has to offer, boat ramp, playground, and fishing. Easy access to Midpoint Bridge, shopping, restaurants and Veterans Pkwy assessments are in and paid. For more information, review the details below.